On your t-shirt, trace one outer layer and 3 inner layers using a marker or cloth chalk like this. As the name implies, the inner layer is located inside the pad, so you can't see it. But the outer layer is visible on the outside. So, if you like to make stylish pads, you can choose to trace one piece of the outer layer on a design that you like. But for the second piece, we would recommend keeping the design clean, as this will be where your blood will flow through. Go ahead and trace your pad patterns.